Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In last video we looked about this profitability about this plant, but in this video we will see about this PDF report of crops. So here you can easily print as a PDF format. So go to this print menu and available here this two. First I want to print here this crop card. And you can easily see here your report as a PDF format. So display here this variety, product name, container name, status with location details, quantity and cost details, lost history, and no available here any size or location. So display here in this blank. Now next one is I want to print here. If you want to print here this multiple, then easily select and also print here. Now I want to print this valuation and now open it and display here your stock valuation in this with stage available, finishing, growing, with plant and total valuation based on stages. Now go to in crop form view and now provided here this print label. You can easily print here this. Now I want display here first of all crop number 10, product name red rose, and here I want to print only 2. And if you want to show price and barcode, then easily allow here, otherwise not. So here I select or add here total 2, then should be print 2 label. Now open it and see here printed 2 label for this red rose, 3 liter float and $1. Now go to compliance and go to this plant passport, and now I want to print this one number of this plant passport. And you can easily open it as a PDF format. So display here this plant passport name. It means botanical name is a red rose, registration A, traceability code is not available, so display here this plant, and country of origin is Afghanistan. So you can easily print a report for the crops, traceability, print label, compliance in passport, etc. Next video will see about this dashboard overview. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.